day 38 of Art with Addison, and today we will be making slime. For today's craft, you need some glue, some baking soda, some saline or contact solution, a bowl, a spatula or a popsicle stick, and some food coloring. First, add half a cup to a cup of glue into your bowl. Then add 1 teaspoon of baking soda into your glue and mix that in. And then add your food coloring and depending on how dark you want it, you can add 2 or 3 drops. And if you want to add glitter or glitter glue to your slime, you can do that now too. And then just mix that all together. And then you're going to add 1 tablespoon of your saline or contact solution. And mix it all together. And once everything starts to combine into a thicker paste, you can then pick it up with your hands and knead it. When you're done playing with your slime, store it in an airtight container.